She goes in for eating quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. In our junkyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Little chicks are mollycoddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get too flurry.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
You'll see me make a beeline for those tender little juicy balls of fluff.
There's a morning fun to chatter, and a mandarin with oriental charm. You'll find every goose for gander,
Though of course I'm rather grander.
it's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
The cat? Why do we put ourselves through it? 'Cause when you hear that dibble dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my travel. Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bank. Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing, accompanied by mothers sobbing, relieved with thanks be to nature, nobody's sank. It's the joy. Oh, prepare yourself.
Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't have fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Look at him, legs are ready and the knees are knocked. Look at him, Dab's obviously eggshell shocked. Bet the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Ooh, touchy.
You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chili your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So come on, doggy, let me play with you.
We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles, this gaggling goggles is sure to find your home. It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world, but we don't want them here. Together, we will sing our favorite keys. Together, we will conquer all before us. Together, you can't rent her out her fleas. Together, we will Together, Starry night has nothing to compare.
Has nothing to compare
with you.
It's better if the corners both point north. That's the idea.
So don't go into hiding. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes. I'm telling you, feathers, out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all.
Now you're croaking my language.
We don't know where. Someone
Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Some will find me sexy. In my way,
They'll find you sexy.
though it may take some time to find them. When do you have a ball?